And I promise you, I don't make you cry. Love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. That's right. I don't wanna love nobody. Hello. Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Anita. My YouTube channel is Riziki Food Ideas. So I'm like still catching my breath. How are you doing today? How was your day? What are you doing? How is business? How was your family? I've been posting food pictures on my Facebook for like 3 years. I used to cook, take pictures, and post them on Facebook. So after a while, I was like, you know what? How about I open up a YouTube channel, make these foods or make these recipes, do these dishes, and then post them on YouTube and share them with the whole world. Guess what? That's what I did. Yes. So go check the YouTube, check out the YouTube channel, like, share, subscribe, all those good things. Why not? So today, today we are going to make a burger. Well, it's not as hard as you think. So follow me in the kitchen. We are going to let's make a burger today. Hello. Welcome to the channel again. So today we are going to make a burger as earlier communicated. Right now I am prepping my meat. I'm using beef patties. You can make these patties from scratch. What you do, you get minced meat, make little balls out of it and press it down into a circular shape. And you can get good patties using any meat you want. So right now I have my dish ready. I'm oiling it because I don't want the patties as they grill or cook. I don't want them to get stuck at the bottom of the pan. So I put a little bit of oil and put my patties in the pan, and now I'm going to put it in the oven. You can use a grill, an outside grill, but I used a dish because I'm inside. I seasoned them. Now what I do, I mix my seasoning already and then just spread it on the patties, both sides. You want to season both the sides. I went ahead and added the seasoning on the other side of the patty. Please flip them, don't season one side. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. For these particular ones, they didn't have any salt, but some patties come ready to put on the grill. These weren't, so I had to add a little bit of seasoning and salt. Now I'm flipping to put a little bit more salt. That way every side of the patty has salt and a good seasoning. Don't put a lot of salt because remember, we'll add a little bit of salt on the veggies when we are prepping the whole big burger. Now I put them under the oven. That's how I cook them. Remember, you can just grill them if you want. Right now they are ready, and that's how they look like. Don't overcook them because you don't want them to taste so hard. You need to leave them a little bit, juicy. So right now I'm prepping another meal. Guess what goes along with burgers? Of course, fries. So I had to put on some fries. So I put my fries, preheated it. Now I'm going to season it. You know the seasoning, there's a way the seasoning mixes when the fries are warm. So season it, flipped it, that way every little or last piece of fry has some seasoning. Put a little bit of salt. I'm going to put them back in the oven so that the seasoning gets into the fries. Now I'm prepping the vegetables. Remember, for us to make a burger, we're going to need these vegetables. Right now I'm prepping my lettuce. You can get this from the usual stores. Get a few leaves, as you can see me doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the onions. I'm going to cut everything in a circular shape because we are going to use a bun, and the bun is a kind of circular shape. So I peeled off the hard peeling of the onions and you want to get large onions, because you don't want to get the little tiny ones. They won't make what you want, or they won't make as large as these ones. So get the large onions. That way you can get large pieces of onions. I cut it into circular pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut my tomato. As you can see, that looks good. Get a large tomato. Don't use the little tiny ones unless that's what you want in particular, but these large ones will give you a good circular shape that will go along with our burger as we arrange on the vegetables. So right now I'm cutting the tomatoes, and we again, remember, cutting it into circular shapes. I'm going to go ahead and grill some buns. I'm using two buns. Now we are making two kinds. There's one burger where you need to grill the bread and the onions, that with the onions are softer, but you don't have to do this all the time unless that's how you want it. So I'll show you this in two ways. So here we are grilling the the burger bun. So the bun is ready. I'm going to go ahead and grill the onions for a little, let me say, 2 minutes. So I put onions, I put butter, and let them grill for, cook them for a few minutes. Now they are ready. This is how my table looks like. I'm ready to make the first kind of burger. Remember, I'm showing you two kinds. This in particular, you grill the bun and grill the onions. It gives the onions a little more aroma. So let's arrange our burger. First of all, I'm spreading the buns with mayonnaise. As you can see, I love spreading both the buns, the lower bun and the upper bun. Some people just spread one piece of the bun, but I love seasoning both. You can do whatever you want. After all, this is your your burger. So I'm arranging my vegetables there. I put lettuce first, tomatoes, and then I'm going to put my grilled onions. Add a little salt if you want, but if you don't want, that's okay. Some people eat really very, very less salt, which is advisable. So I melted the cheese to make it more yummy. There you go. Boom. So I arranged my burger. That's how it looks like, guys. That's good. Now, let's look at the other kind of burger where you don't have to grill the bun, you don't have to grill the onions, everything is fresh. It's the same, but I'm telling you, it tastes different. So right now, I'm arranging my buns. Ooh, our fries are ready. Let's put them on the side, because remember, we are serving this burger with some fries. You know fries go along with burger well. I know you know that. So I'm spreading the buns. I used some mayonnaise, and I added a little bit of mustard, yellow mustard. I think you can spread this bun with whatever you want to spread it with. It depends on how you want your bun to turn out and taste. I'm going to go ahead and put on the buns. And there you go. We are almost done, almost done, almost done. I'm ready to eat. It's been it's been a while. I mean, we are spending so much time on this burger. Okay, let's go. So right now I'm going to put the vegetables. I melted the cheese a little bit. The arrangement of the vegetables, I think, doesn't matter. It depends on how you want your burger to turn out. So I put tomatoes. I'm going to put remember, for this particular one, everything is fresh. I put onions. They usually put a few onions. Oh, I love fresh onions. So I put a whole lot of onions because I'm making the burger from home. I added the lettuce, and right now I'm about to close this. I put the bun on top. There is a whole finished, a huge, mouth-watering burger. Oh my God, the explanation. Okay, now we are done. We're going to cut it into two pieces. You don't have to. You can eat your whole burger in piece, like the whole burger. But I cut it into pieces. That's how it looks like. Jesus. Okay, so I'm going to put it put it on the plate because I can't wait to eat. Remember, we are serving it with fries. I put a little bit of fries on the plate, added some deep, that's ranch and ketchup. There is your meal. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please try this at home. It's not that hard. Thank you. Love